Hello everybody, I'm Francesco again. This is the second lesson of language exchange. Today we're going to talk about something English and Americans don't get it right the first time that they talk in Italian.
Ehi tu, dammi tutte le tue soldi.
Oh, la prego, non mi faccia i mali. That's a simple mistake some no natives can make. Because in English and American languages we got just one article. It is for everything. The hard part to learn Italian, that's it, the articles. There are tons of articles I'm going to explain you today. And today I'm going to explain you two important sections. The first one is articoli determinativi and the second one articoli indeterminativi. Let's see the difference between those two big families. Articoli determinativi sono usati principalmente per indicare qualcosa o un oggetto specifico e si dividono in due parti. They are mostly used before something is really specific. I think that we already know the dates. Okay, let's see together what we have. Il, lo, la, I, gli, le. Here we are going to explain when we use it. There are different cases we can take an example. Il e lo. Masculine, they are used before something with consonant. Lo squalo, il falegname. La is used feminine at the same point. Except we can use it with vowels. L'acqua. Then we got the plurals. I, gli, le. Okay, that's all. Later we're gonna see some example to understand where we can use it. Okay, start with singular. Il falegname, il carabiniere, il giocatore. We're gonna use it with jobs. That's really useful. Il denaro, il motorino, il insegnante. No, that's wrong. Why? Because all the words we use have a consonant before. We're gonna use lo with an apostrophe, l'insegnante. Never use in those cases before signora, signore, or dottore in direct speech. Sport. After the verb giocare. Materials after the preposition di. And countries, regions and cities after the preposition in. Indefinite articles. Un, uno, una. Un with apostrophe. Why? Let's see together. So let's repeat together when we can use those. Un without apostrophe, before a vowel, and the word is masculine. When we use uno, before a word with consonant that start with Z, P, N, G, N, and Y. When we use una, before a word with consonants, and it's feminine. When we use un with apostrophe, when we got a word with vowels and it's feminine. I think that's all. Thank you for watching Language Exchange. If you have any suggestions, just drop down in the comments. Be sure to write some comments with exercise on the comment section so I can correct you. If you need any more videos, if you got anything to say, just drop on the website, comment section, or join the WhatsApp group. We are waiting for you. Thank you for watching again Language Exchange. See you in the next video.